Good afternoon, and this is a concept video made by me and my team, focusing on concept of work with constant force for Physics 3A. So, all right, we're jumping right into it. As you can see, we have a single object M pulled by a force F. As one of the primary concepts, the representation for work is the capitalized alphabet W, which equals to F times D, or force times displacement. Fun fact, did you know that if you move a box back to where you picked it up from, you didn't do any work? Well, jokes aside, when we look at this graph, we can see the force is not acting in the same direction as displacement. So we have to multiply it by cosine theta, as you can see here, to get the direction of the force to be equal to the direction of the displacement. This is very important. Now picture this, a person carrying a box of mass M up the stairs, where the box moved a total of D. In a simple system, there are a total of 3 aspects where we can look for the work, which corresponds to the work the box goes through, work done by gravity, and the work done by the person. This could get a little tricky if you do not think about it carefully, especially if it appears on a test and you happen to miss a point because you forgot to factor in gravity. Anyways, moving on to the next slide. So first we are looking at the box. Depending on the average acceleration of the box, we can determine the work the box goes through simply by using F times D, shown right here. At this step, the work wouldn't be a very large number, which seems confusing since the task doesn't seem too easy. We'll get there next. So second, we look at the gravity. It is just using the gravitational force exerted on the box and multiplying it by that distance. Since G is just acceleration pointing downwards, the work we get in this case will be negative. Finally, we calculate the work done by the person carrying the box right here. This is the step where it gets easy for people to mess up on, such as me on the previous test. What we want to do to calculate it for the total work, we're putting together the work done by gravity right here and the box that goes through. Since work of gravity is negative and we want to have the minus sign, so the resulting work will be greater than both of the previous ones. Thank you guys so much for listening and have a good day.